Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is a lower of cost market write downs. Check all that apply. Option A is viewed by analyze as a positive signs because it means the inventory is easily replaced. Option B, recording incorrectly is one of the most common types of financial statements misattachments. Option C is viewed by analysts as a negative sign because it may indicate a problem with the company inventory management. Option D is viewed by analysts a positive sign because it indicates the company is good as selling product quickly. The correct answer of the question is B and C. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section if you have any question to ask. There are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.